Aura protection literally saved my life, and it can protect and save your life as well. Being in this healing space, I meet thousands of people every single day. Thousands of people see me, see my ads, see my photographs, because of which there is the nazar effect or the vision effect that happens on us. Some negative thought also, if our individual thinks, it might impact our aura. I have seen many healers, meditators or spiritual practitioners going down into suffering mode or completely shutting down their activity because they are not able to handle the transformation of impact and reach their creative. For that, if you want to impact more people, reach more people, or become a better healer or meditator, learn the art of aura protection till you reach the oneness zone with simple tips like salt water bath, shielding, using black tourmaline crystals and more. So protect your aura, transform your life. Follow us for more such tips.